Hey friends, it's your boy Darryl, and today we're gonna be making a really simple breakfast along with some dalgona coffee. So I know this coffee has been trending for a while now. Your boy's literally the CEO of jumping late in the trends, but we are still gonna do it. So anywho, without further ado my friends, let's begin. Hey friends, how's it going? So anyways, I have a bad news to tell you guys. So my place is currently under lockdown till like June, which means your boy literally can't get a freaking haircut. So I actually have the intention to like grow my hair out, but you know, it's been getting a little messy, and I think I should at least get like a trim or something to kind of like freshen up the look, I guess. But it's too bad because your boy has to wait till like June. So by the time June comes, your boy literally will be looking like a freaking caveman. Ooh. Bubbly. Squatting is really tough. So your boy's literally like squatting now because I'm a little too tall for the camera frame. And my legs are freaking hurting. Should I go for it like a little faster? I think I should. Whew. Hey friends. Hey friends. Your boy is literally sweating right now. Oh my gosh. Man. Come on, we got this. We got this. So it's been like 5 minutes and so far only the color is like changing. The texture is kind of like still the same. As you guys can see. So anyways, please excuse the color of my apron because it belongs to my mom. The apron that I used to have is like currently missing, and I really hope that the color of this apron is like suitable for me. So the color is changing again and the texture is slowly getting there. So we're gonna continue doing it until we get the perfect dalgona texture that we are looking for. When can I get a taste of this dalgona with coffee? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh. Man, this is taking a little bit too long. No, it is still not sticking. No! No! This is too simple and easy. Totally effortless. Time to switch hands. Just ambidextrous things. Do you guys want to hear some ASMR dalgona coffee version? Here you go. Yo, the texture is slowly coming up, sticking a little bit. So let me catch my breath a little. So we have been doing this for like 15 minutes and the texture is slowly getting there. So I think probably a good 5 more minutes and we will be done. Let's get this. Man, this is so freaking tiring. I guess I'll take a short 2-hour break. Just joking. Because in order to be successful in life, you gotta persist on. No matter how tired or worn out you are, you still gotta persist on. And that, my friends, is success. Just a little bit more, yeah. I think this is taking a little way too long, so I think I'm gonna just get back to you guys when it's ready. So I will see you guys right now. My friends, I think this is kind of the texture that we are looking for. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. The amount of effort put into this. Your boy is literally sweating. Your boy is literally sweating his butt off. My friends, we are finally done. Yay! Good job, Darryl. So let me just give it a little taste test to see like how it goes. Man, to be honest, it is actually pretty good. So we are finally back at the kitchen. So it's time to pour ourselves some milk and then add this baby into it. Let's do it, my friends. But first, we're gonna throw in a little bit of ice cube. Just a little bit, maybe like 2 cubes or something. Okay, maybe 3. To just make it a little colder. Just a little bit. And then lastly, but finally, we're gonna add a little bit of our whipped coffee into it. And just pray that it floats. Come on. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And my friends, we are finally done. Final freakingly. Just gotta add the straw in and we are done. Thumbnail. So right now I'm just gonna continue making 2 more servings for my family. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Now it's time to make ourselves some breakfast, so let's go. And yes, your boy is using the spoon because he doesn't have a butter knife at home, so yeah. Is there like anyone else out there that does this? Like, you know, using a spoon to apply your bread? Oh my freaking gosh. Literally dropped the freaking banana skin on the floor, man. My mom's literally gonna kill me for this, so shh. Ta-da! Man, it tastes freaking good. Oh my gosh. So anyways, my friends, we have come to the end of this video, and would I make the dalgona coffee again? Probably not, because it takes way too much effort, but I must say that it is pretty satisfying. But to do it on a weekly or like a daily basis, I think it really takes too much energy of Darryl. So would I do it again? Probably not. So anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. See you all, my friends. Time to enjoy my long awaited breakfast. My good thing going lately. I'll always be around. I'll tell the truth of the story. Won't you come that won't come easily? Doesn't mean you shouldn't try. We had a good thing going lately, and all the ways that we fell to. I know that just because it won't come easily, doesn't mean you shouldn't try. Just because it won't come easily, doesn't mean you shouldn't try. But I've always been forward to, you know, I know that day. Ouch! Oh my god. See ya.